Hey, this is MJ and today I'm going to be showing you how to work the extended single crochet stitch. So I'm using Sugarbush Chill in Mounty Mango and it's a super bulky 6. It's nice and thick and plush and I'm using a 9mm crochet hook and this is a Susan Bates Crystallite hook. Now you can use any size hook and yarn for this stitch, but this is what I'll be showing you it in today. So we're going to begin by making a slip knot. And now put that on the hook. Take your tails and just tighten that up. And I'm going to chain 11. So we're going to work in the second chain from the hook. So here's our first chain and our second chain. So go down through our chain, grabbing our yarn and pull it up. So we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pulling through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Go through the next chain, pulling up a loop. And now a regular single crochet, we would yarn over pulling through both loops, but for our extended single crochet, we pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, and pull through 2. We're going to continue to work all the way across our chain. Okay, so I'm just turning my work and we'll chain 1. Our chain 1 is the height of a single crochet, but we'll also just chain 1 for our extended. So pull up the loop, and I'm not counting my chain 1 as a stitch, so I'm crocheting right into that first stitch. And we'll just continue working this across. And I've just completed this row, and I'm just going to turn my work here and just go over with you how to count your stitches. So I like to look at my V's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to continue working up my swatch so you can really get a look and see how pretty and nice and textured this stitch is. Okay, so I've worked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 rows, and as you can see, it really gives a nice textured look. Rather than just working a single crochet or a half double crochet, it gives a really nice different look to your pieces. And here's the back. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.